beautiful. Christmas is just 12 days away, and East Sacramento is bright with holiday cheer as they are every year. A decades-old tradition of downright creative displays decking the halls of the Fab 40S neighborhood.
Yeah, looking beautiful. So jealous of CBS 13's Ashley Sharp. She took a special ride tonight through the lights. Ashley.
Hey guys, well, it's scenes right out of your favorite Christmas story. Quite literally on the front lines of the Fab 40s, we've got Ralphie here himself standing at the ready to shoot his own eye out. This is all part of what brings thousands to the neighborhood every single year. Tonight, though, we got to ride along with the Smash Cab, giving us a view straight out of a fairy tale.
And we're off.
Dashing through East Sacramento in a no-horse open sleigh.
Merry Christmas!
Through the streets we go, looking all the way at the lights, making the Fab 40s bright.
I've been giving rides out here for over 10 years.
Our guide, Dustin Ortega, on his Cinderella Christmas carriage.
Bring something fairy tale to life.
Driving merrily in a new old-fashioned way, you will get a sentimental feeling when you hear
childlike. I feel very childlike.
Of the halls decked with more than Christmas cheer.
It's nostalgic. It's great.
In the lane, snow is glistening, a rare Sacramento sight. We're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland.
It takes a long time, but it's just a lot of fun. Everybody enjoys it.
The homeowners here glow with Christmas cheer as their creations bring joy to the world.
Because it's fun and it's Christmas.
It's the most wonderful time of year, no doubt, with reminders of what the season is about.
Christmas to me means family. Family and fun.
As for tasty treats, thank you. City Bible Church fills cups of cheer.
And we're just trying to be sharing the great news that is Jesus Christ, and we want to do it for free.
It's the happiest season of all.
Merry Christmas!
Because here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane.
No, I just see it through their eyes, my kids' eyes, so they're just seeing the magic of Christmas.
The lights are on, and the feeling is here that only comes this time of year.
It brings the Christmas spirit alive.
So for now, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a fabulous New Year. I'll tell you, walking through the Fab 40s tonight, you would have thought it was the weekend and not a Wednesday night. So many people just out here enjoying the lights, and you can understand why. If you want to take a ride on the Smash Cab like we did, they do have reservations open all the way through Christmas Day. And we also have a virtual ride-along for you that's posted on CBS13.com if you want to experience that like we did.
Wow. We are anchors, we are reporters, we are disseminators of information. Thank you for reminding us that we're writers, because that was written beautifully. You take a story like that and you're like, this has to be special, because we've both been there.
Right.
And you take a story like, I want to make this special, and you certainly did that, Ashley.
That was awesome. So glad you got to go on that ride.
It was a joy, a true joy.
No doubt.
Clearly it was. All right, thank you, Ashley.